friggin' fit. Come on, man. You know, now that I think of it, that was pretty dumb to think that that box is gonna fit in here. Let's go, boys. We're about to go see Marco, ladies and gentlemen. He's gonna start painting these. He's gonna help me put them on too, as well as the rear diffuser. There's no reason for me to bring the rear diffuser to him right now because that's full carbon and that's obviously not gonna get painted. Dude, every single day that I come out to my car after work, I have to leave my phone in my car at my job. Yeah, it has a temperature warning, so phone's probably not gonna last much longer. Oh yeah, dude, I love the way this car, oh, I just scraped. You know what? Of course that would happen. I was just about to say, I love the way this car goes in and out of my driveway. And then that would happen. This car does not like the heat, boys. Holy shit. I'm gonna take a guess. 93 is $4.89 a gallon? Dude, last week it was like $4.59. I'm gonna say it's gonna cost $54. That's how empty I am, we'll see. $52.96, holy shit, boys. So, not that I'm bringing this up to further justify our move out of California, but I saw an article last night about how California is now going to be ticketing loud cars, and how they're gonna do that is by having like cameras or sound sensors, whatever it is, at stoplights. Which is, are these people insane? Are these people out of their minds? Can we have fun anymore? Or can we not? Like, what the hell? Do they want every car enthusiast to just move out of the state? Oh my god, this thing does not like the heat at all, boys. What I do miss about California is that we would actually have some cold days. You don't really have any cold days here. TJ Hunt, Dustin Williams, and guys like that. What do they do with their cars that need to be smogged? Like TJ's BRZ, for example, his old one, his first BRZ. That's old enough now to where every year when he registers it, he needs to get it smogged. I know those guys are not like going through all the trouble of going back to stock on pretty crazy bills like that. So what are they doing? Do they know somebody and they're throwing them a few extra bucks? But if TJ gets pulled over and the cop goes like, hey, let me see your smog certificate, couldn't that fall back on the, I don't know. How do those guys get around that? That guy.
Don't look too excited yet.
Well, boys, Marco and I just discovered a pretty disturbing fact. The Veris side skirts, we're supposed to drill into the frickin' car to install those. And now I'm getting cold feet about the whole side skirt thing. Why would you have to drill? If the stock ones don't have to drill into the car, why would aftermarket ones go that extra step and drill into the car? I don't know, man. That makes me, that's kind of making my skin crawl, dude. I do not like that at all. I don't know. I'm sketched out, man. Oh, now's my chance, dude. Let's go. Alright, so this Saturday at Bradenton Motorsports Park, obviously in Bradenton, Florida, which is like 40 minutes south of me, they are doing roll racing. So they're doing like quarter-mile drag racing, and then at a certain time they're going to switch it to roll racing. I am going to be there. I don't know which car I'm gonna take yet. I think I kind of want to take the BRZ. Let's be fair, you know. The Type R got some action a couple days ago on Sunday in Mexico, so I had a long drive there and back. I think it's the BRZ's turn to have some fun. So if you want to roll race me, show up Saturday night, send me a DM and like let me know you're coming. But either way, even if I don't hear from anybody, I am going Saturday night. Is this guy honking at me, dude? Dude, that guy behind me is going crazy on the motorcycle. People are insane in Florida, man. It's the bath salts. All this shit, dude, I mean, I like it here, but all this shit, the traffic, the heat, just makes me want to move to the middle of nowhere in like Utah or Montana. All right, bro, we're taking this turn, bud. Tires are nice and hot right now. What I really should do is go try to test drive a 2022 Civic Si. I have had some people DM me offering me to review them or race them, whatever, with their 22 Si. But I really want to drive one at the dealership because then I can, you know, kind of take my time with it and I won't be nervous about beating on someone else's car, even though it'll eventually be someone else's car. Gotta be honest, boys. Very disappointed with Target right now. Very disappointed. They do not have any of the new Halo action figures. Hope there's no surprises up here, because I'm going for it. Oh, dude, I'm not even going that fast, man. Damn, bro. There's no in between. The Florida drivers, they're either driving like maniacs or they're driving like grandfathers. Get out of the freaking way, bozo head. Yo, my guys. Oh, I'm almost out of battery? Damn, dude, I left my GoPro in my car all day. The battery's shot. I have 11% left. Took the BRZ today because I was parked behind Vivian and I had to move the car, so I just took it. I want a new guitar so badly. I told you guys at the end of last video that I really want a new guitar. I am going right now to Guitar Center. Fortunately, I have to order it, so when it comes in like 3 to 5 business days, it's beautiful. I'm gonna play it for you guys. It's gonna be fun. I'm here in Tampa, North McDill Avenue. I got some news for the BRZ. I ordered the front pipe. I ordered the JDL front pipe, and they have a bunch of different options. I had to email them because I didn't know what to frickin' pick as to what like inlet and outlet options to choose. Anyway, I didn't get their most popular one, which is like the dual resonated. I opted for just the high flow cat because my thought process is the HKS exhaust I have, it's really quiet. Car insurance for 39 bucks a month, bro. As if. Dude, the car insurance on the BRZ is more than the Type R. By a decent amount, actually. So I got the front pipe that definitely should make the car noticeably louder, which is exactly what I want. I want to hear this baby purr, man. This engine sounds really good. I am about to show you guys a new toy of mine. I got an electric push lawnmower, an electric push mower, yeah, and it actually works really, really well. I kind of balled out, you know, I got a $400 model. It's really nice. I've used it once already, and I specifically let the grass get this out of control so I can show you guys what it's like. I mean, the grass is probably 8 to 10 inches tall in some areas. I've let it go for like 3 weeks. So you guys are gonna see how cool this thing is. You're also gonna see how cool Cleo is. She's being stealthy. Babe, do you see her? She's hopping around like a bunny. are you doing? What are you doing? Fish, what are you doing? Yeah, she is. They both run like bunnies in the grass. Charlie, Charlie. Cleo, where you going, babe? Miss Charlie ruining your peaceful moment in the backyard, huh? Come here, babe. You're okay. You're okay, my little baby girl. Yes, you are. Charlie, you be nice. Oh my God. Charlie really wants to play with Cleo. Be nice, Charlie. Okay, Cleo, okay. Charlie, be nice. She's just a little baby. She's just a little beautiful baby. And she will kick your ass if you piss her off, Charlie. So here's the charger. The battery itself is enormous. It's not totally charged, but we're gonna give it a shot. My lawn's not that big anyway. Just like this. Dude, this is so cool, man. Clicks right in. I'm gonna press the battery to activate it. I don't know if you can see that there's a little green light there. Dude, I just went to go open this door and it broke. The screws just came right out. Hey, babe? Yeah, no, it totally broke. 100%. I'm gonna bring the beast right through into the sacred headquarters. It's gonna have to be good enough for now. All right, let's do this. Are you ready for this, babe?
Snake patrol on.
Snake patrol? Yeah, last time I did this, so we have a snake, a pretty decent sized snake. Last time we saw it, like slithered into the little opening in between our fences and our neighbor's fence. Haven't seen it again, but Vivian's on snake watch. To start, oh, fully extend side rails. Gosh darn it. Hell yeah. 3-inch like blade height is too short for this lawn right now. This is a beast. Look at this thing. It's submerged in the backyard. Let's try it again at 4 inches. Come on, bud. You can do it. Let's do this. Maybe I should have fully charged the battery. I swear to God, this works well. It really does. Check this out, dude. With one arm, you get a straight line. No, I didn't charge it enough. That's what it is. Made some progress. And then it died. Bought the guitar. It's going to be in Monday. It's going to be really, really cool. This one is a 2012 Epiphone Les Paul Standard. And it just needs to be cleaned out. It honestly, it needs like some interior work. It needs rewiring. It could use better quality pots, pickups, as well as a nut. So this is a plastic nut, and I don't know the specifics, like the technical reasoning why, but this thing does not stay in tune at all. Also, these are really old strings, so it's not gonna sound too good. We'll see what I can come up with. A little too much treble there, boys. Let's see how many of you know this one. Def Leppard. Anyway. It's been a great guitar. This has been through a lot. But for those of you who are actually watching this, you guys will know that I make music and I've shared with you a bunch of my punk rock songs. Getting really close to like just putting some stuff on Spotify. I have a couple songs that are ready to go. Jenny Tillwart's, Chinese Warrior, you know, the classics. Anyway, again, I will be at Bradenton Motorsports Park this Saturday night for the drag race event. I will remind you guys on my Instagram, so I'll be posting on my story. And for anyone who does want to meet me there and, you know, do some rolls, we'll have a meetup spot beforehand, maybe grab some Frappuccinos and head out. All right, that's all I have. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next video.